Okay, so this question's involving percentages, and it's when you read it carefully, it looks like it's going to be a reverse percentage because they want the cost that it would have been, so before the installation actually happened. Now there are lots of ways of doing reverse percentages. One classic way is to do a flowchart. So this was the old value. We've done something to it, so we've reduced the cost by 20%, and that gave us our new condition. Now our old price is what we want. When we reduce something by 20%, it's the same as leaving 80% of what we had. So that's the same as multiplying by 0.80. And that gave us the new value, which they told us was 520. We want to get back to the original, so we're going to come backwards, and instead of times it by 0.8, we're going to divide by 0.8. Now, lots of ways of doing this. But one way is to turn it into whole number division, so 5,200 divided by 8. Well, that's the same as taking an eighth of that, which is halving 2,600, halving 1,300, halving again 650. So we think our answer is going to be 650. Other ways of doing this is that we could turn 0.8 into a fraction, 4/5, and then that becomes 520 times 5. Divided by 4, so we end up with 2,600 divided by 4. Well, we're back to the same problem we had here, so we halve and halve. We still get 650. Now we should check that that answer worked. The question said you took 20% off. Well, 10% of 650 is 65. 20% would be 130. So if I do 650, take away 130, I get 520, so our checked worked. And it's really important, as always, that you do some check so you don't avoid losing some marks. So the answer to a reverse percentage, draw the flowchart, come backwards by reversing it, and go through the solution of putting the numbers in.